Hey, it's V. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a new brand to this channel. I'm gonna be reviewing Born Pretty today. They were so kind and they sent me some products to test out. So thank you so much, Born Pretty. I am so excited to do this. I see Born Pretty all over the place and I have been wanting to try your products. So thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So don't forget to give me a like if you like this video and make sure you subscribe. And let's go ahead and do this. All right, let me show you the products that they sent me. They sent me 3 gels here. They also sent me metal painting gel, and this is like a silver metallic painting gel. And then they sent me a couple of nail tips to use. Lastly, they sent me the non-stick hand extension nail gel. So we are gonna be trying these out today. I'm so excited. I don't know what kind of nail set I wanna do, but we will find out together. Okay, here are the products that they sent me. Let's see what color these gels are. I'll make sure to link everything in the description, of course. So this looks like it's gonna be a red one. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. This is a hot pink. Okay, so that's that one. This is CG100. Also have this one. This one looks like it's gonna be black, but who knows? Maybe it's blue. This is JN29. Oh yeah, this is like a jelly blue. These are some interesting color combinations to work with. And then this last one, we've got, okay, this is a cat eye gel. And this looks like it is a silver cat eye. That's nice. It looks like velvet. You guys know I love a good cat eye. So we've got a blue, a hot pink, a silver cat eye, and then we also have this metallic silver gel paint. It is leaking a little bit too. Wow, how in the world did that happen? Literally like, I don't know how that happened. Let's see. That is so weird that it is leaking, even though it has this foil on top. Imagine if it didn't have it. That would be horrible. Ooh. This looks like a thinner consistency compared to Madame Glam's. Wow. But oh my goodness, it is so messy. It is getting everywhere. I think you can see just how like loose the consistency is. Oh my gosh, it is literally like everywhere, you guys. What if it's like on my face and I don't even realize it? Definitely not gonna take any more of that foil off. I'm so scared. This thing is just like so messy. Let me close this back up. Oh shoot, I just dropped the foil pieces. Keep hitting my head everywhere. I just kept dropping those foil pieces everywhere. So now there's silver in random places. I'm already breaking a sweat just dealing with this one product. It looks beautiful though. I am excited to try it. Lastly is this, hang on, I gotta clean up a little bit because I am finding that gel everywhere. I don't know how. So now we have the non-stick hand extension gel. And I know that you can use this to like do the gel X and adhere your nail tips to your nails. I didn't think it was gonna be pink, but I guess the top shows that it is. And this is the consistency of it. It's very thick. Oh, you guys. I am just like, okay, so this is super sticky. I can't even get my glove back. Oh, there goes another glove. I'm trying to see, like, this is very interesting. So that is the consistency of that. Okay, I'm not gonna touch that again. I'm gonna get some swatch sticks so we can see how these gels apply. So I will be right back. All right, I'm back. And you know what I realized? I realized that I've never done swatches on my actual YouTube videos. So guess what we're doing? We're going to swatch. We will start out with the pink one, which is CG100. is a very, very pretty pink. I love hot pink. If you didn't see my black and pink set, you should definitely go check that out. It was a pink very similar to this. All right, so I'm gonna cure and I'm gonna do one more coat off camera. Next, I have the blue one, which is JN29. This looks like a jelly. Yep. Next, I'm gonna do the cat eye gel. I'm gonna apply black on half of this nail. Let me just put some black on half of this so you can see how it looks. All right, I have black on half of this nail, so let's try this silver. Lastly, we are gonna test out this super, super messy painting gel. That is so, like, thin, the consistency. Wow, this is so pretty, you guys, and it is so thin. It's pretty crazy compared to like Madame Glam's. This formula is so different. Look, that was just like one dip, and I still have so much on my brush, so this goes a long way. Let's do a second coat. Oh, that is very pretty. Wow. I am very impressed, and I feel like it's gonna be so easy to just do like line art with this because of how thin it is, but yet it's super like opaque. I love that. I think that's like the star of the show right now, even though it really stressed me out earlier. Okay, here are the colors. These are so pretty. I thought this was gonna be a little bit more mirrored, but I mean, it didn't say it was like chromed, so that was just on me, but these are very pretty. That cat eye is gonna look very pretty on these. These are all 2 coats, even the cat eye. So I don't know what I want to do yet for my nails. I probably won't do this one today because it is pink and I feel like it's not what I'm going for, or at least I don't see it matching very well with this. I reapplied my nails and I just used the Bellavina 4-in-1 base coat that I always use. And I was trying to figure out what to do, and I decided I haven't done nail stickers in a while, so I went through my collection and I found these, and I thought, you know, people are already kind of doing spooky nails, so I figured why not? And it's got pink in it, so I figured, I guess I'm doing pink nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint all of my nails pink. I'm gonna do 2 coats, and then we will go from there. So I just had a thought. These pinks are definitely different. So I think I'm gonna do like the peekaboo nails that I did a long time ago. And I'm gonna coat the top of these with the silver metal gel paint. And then we will go in with the stickers. So that's gonna be the next step. I'm going to add probably 2 coats of this on top just to make sure the pink is covered. All right, here we are trying to figure out how I want to put these stickers. I think I want to use this one for sure. Do I want him on my thumb? And then I want to do one of those goofy faces, so I think he's gonna go on my ring. Look at how cute, guys. I've never just done like a full sticker set, and then I even added some underneath. I think it's so cute. I think I want to add rhinestones though, like these tiny ones, and I think I'm gonna put them in the middle of the stars. And to adhere it, I'm just gonna use top coat because I mean these are tiny anyways, and the top coat should be strong enough to hold it. I'm gonna use the No Wipe top coat from Madame Glam. Okay, I'm happy to say I finally finished. This is the final set. I think it came out so cute. I'm not used to just doing nail stickers, but they're definitely nice for just some like lazy nail art. So yeah, that's it for this video. I love the gels. You can't go wrong with those gels. This I love, but it is a huge mess. I got it everywhere several times, but it is so beautiful. I love it. I love the consistency of it and how pigmented it is. Thank you again, Born Pretty, for sending me those products. I really appreciate you allowing me to try out your brand. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you give it a like before you leave, and make sure you subscribe. And also don't forget to enter my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's open right now up to the 23rd. So make sure you go and do that. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. I will see you guys next time. Bye.